totally Mikkeli.
Yeah.
This is a bit very modernization. Oh, in the doors.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap! Built in 1960 or 61, modernized 2013, age 9514. 6 persons or 400 kilograms. It used to be 1960 or 1961 Kone, according to serial number.
Can you go a little bit back? There's a lot of space.
It's a lot bigger than 6 persons.
Yeah.
Yep. But this is the bigger 6 person.
Yep.
So it should be 500 kilograms.
Yep.
Hmm.
This new.
It feels bigger than the elevators like at the Soukanahde or something. The long journey platforms. This is longer, I guess.
Yeah.
But the gap size is quite strange.
Yeah.
There is only 4 in there. Up there.
Like I know in the doors.
Yep. And only 1 fossil.
Do not stand near the striped area.
Yeah. It doesn't have any fossils here. Only 2.
Come on, you are not heritage bears.
No, I'm not.
Are we gonna go now to where? Where are we gonna go?
First floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inspekteerbar kiva inspektää me eteenpäin kyllä.
And guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing when we stop the video. Alright.
Here we go.
That's it.